Let's look at how you would do this in Excel. Here's the same numbers for a single year example. In cell B2, put $100 is how much we have today. Rate is 5% annually. And so the first year, 5% of 100 would be $5, which you can compute that using cell B2 times B3, or 100 times 5%, or 100 times 0.05. But note, it is not 100 times 0.05%, which would be 100 times 0.0005. Common error. Careful of that. Either use 5% or 0.05. So in 1 year, we add the interest to what we have today and get $105, just a sum. Now what we want to get to is be able to do this in one step, and we'll see this later. It becomes more important. And then you use the equation that's shown here. Take the present value, which is 100, multiply it by 1 plus the rate, which is 1 plus 5%, and you then get 105 in one step. And that's the way you ought to be looking at it. We'll be doing it that way all semester. Another question is, given a present value like 100 and a future value of some number, what would be the rate of interest? And the content shows how this is derived, this equation here. So if 1 year we have $100 and today we have 90, what's the interest rate between that? Well, you take the future value, 100, divided by the present value, 90, and subtract 1. And it comes out to be 11.11%. Which is just this here is a B12 over B13, or it's 100 over 90 minus 1. You might note that if I take out the formatting, just to show you a little thing on formatting, I'm going to format Painter this blank cell into here, so there's no formatting. This is what you'd end up with if it wasn't formatted. So usually you take that, and I can click on the percent sign up here. Now you have percents, but there's no decimal places. Typically should keep 2 decimal places on percentages. And there is the answer that you get.